DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump Media stock, or Trump Media and Technology stock, sitting at good $36.18, 5.2% out for the day. So the way that I'm looking at DJT is very simple. I would love to continue and take it up, but here's a little caveat to this. Obviously the rules need to be met. Now, in order for me to continue to be bullish, obviously these are kind of my new highs, so I have marked up my demand areas, and you have to understand that unless it, my bad, let me just pull this in here, pull this thing to the side, yeah. So unless I see a decent pull down and then a double break, I mean, I'm not buying at the moment. It's just kind of going up and whatnot. Obviously we have the elections coming, so it's going to be a very interesting ride. And I would say this, the likelihood of this continuing to just clear and make new highs right now, other than going lower, yeah, this is more likely to happen than not, right? So let me know what is your opinion on DJT. I'll definitely keep you updated. And if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades and not spend 4 years of your time like I did, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.